In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot CRM. Let's dive into this quick and straightforward guide to streamline your workflow and better manage your customer interactions. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL to reach their site. If you're a regular user, this page will be quite familiar. If not, no worries, it's a user-friendly platform that you'll become accustomed to in no time. Once you've landed on the homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. By logging in, you ensure that you have access to all your customer data and the CRM tools that HubSpot provides. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot Home dashboard. From here, the next click you'll make is a crucial one. Navigate to the CRM section of the dashboard. This is where all the customer relationship management actions happen and where we'll get started on those active lists. In the CRM view, you'll notice a panel or menu that displays various options. Look for the Lists option and click on it. Lists are where you organize and segment your contacts based on criteria that matter to your business. It's an essential tool for targeted communication and efficient customer management. After accessing the List section, you should see an option to create list. Go ahead and click on this button to start building your customized list. Creating lists helps you segment your customers, making it easier to manage campaigns, follow-ups, and reports. Once you're in the list creation view, you'll choose between a static or an active list. For this tutorial, we're focusing on how to set up an active list, so go ahead and select Active List. Active lists automatically update according to the criteria you set, making them ideal for maintaining an up-to-date collection of your customers meeting specific conditions. As you configure your active list, consider the attributes that define your desired customer segment. The strength of an active list lies in its ability to dynamically adjust as new data streams in. Whether you segment by geographic location, company size, behavior, or any other metric, active lists are there to ensure your strategies remain relevant and efficient. To wrap things up, once you've set your parameters, give your active list a name that clearly reflects its contents or purpose. This makes it easier to identify and utilize later. Save your list and you're done. You've successfully set up a customized active list in HubSpot CRM. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can easily manage your customer data and will be better equipped to maintain meaningful relationships with your audience. Thanks for joining me today.